The guys you've dated in the past, right? They were usually jokers, romantic, caring, or they were some wild boys, player type.
I don't know about a player. They weren't. No, I
player.
wouldn't say they were players.
Yeah, I meet some of them. They want to play at for true. What's happening, guys? Welcome to another Poppy Show video. I was online the other day and I was watching this game show where couples were trying to identify who their partner's celebrity crush is, kind of. So what they did, they gave, say, 4 or 3 celebrities and put a series of words under these celebrities that describe their personalities, and ask a series of questions to their partners, and based on their questions it matches them up to a specific celebrity, and that's say who their celebrity crush is. So one of these celebrities that they were using, the series of words that they used to describe this person was quite a lot like the series of words I would use to describe me. So I'm like, maybe if I took his picture out, put my picture in, ask Toya the same questions and see, based on her answers, who would she pick? So that's the game we'll be playing tonight. Toya doesn't know about it. As we go through, she'll be getting point totals, and those point totals will be tallied up to see her final score, and her final score will match to a specific celebrity. Let's see if she chooses me. What if she doesn't? We'll see. But that's the game we'll be playing tonight. So I'm gonna get my camera set up. Don't go nowhere. It's gonna be epic. Okay, guys, so we're back, and Latoya's still upstairs. I get ready. You know that go already. Honey! Honey!
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Hey! Woo! Oh Lord! Hi guys! What's up? Oh! All right, ready? What? Just trying to make sure the kids are situated and everything.
Okay, guys. So as I've explained before, I'm gonna ask you a series of questions that, based on those questions and the answers that you choose, it's gonna identify a specific celebrity that could be your crush, right? But the twist is, I'm also listed in this group of men. So we're gonna see if I'm your celebrity crush. You better make sure I'm a celebrity crush.
I guess we'll see.
So based on those questions and your answers, we'll see if I'm your celebrity crush, right?
Okay.
So you ready? You confident?
I was born ready.
Okay, we'll see. So first question. Which of these appeals to you the most?
Okay.
A, cute. Adventurous,
Okay.
sexy,
Okay.
or experienced? So cute, adventurous, sexy, or experienced?
I'm gonna go for experienced.
Experienced? What experience is what, like?
Because
Mature,
everything, yeah,
older?
Yeah.
See the world already, kind of?
Yeah, understand what life is about and stuff. Cute and sexy. Nah, that come and go. I need something more substantial.
Okay. Number 2. Which would you prefer to watch? The news? Sports? Movies? Or music videos?
Okay, so because you're in it, you said you're in it, you're listed in it, so...
No, but which would you prefer to watch? No, don't use, what I would like to watch.
Movies.
Movies?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I was just saying because I know you're into sports, so and I know you're listed in it.
No,
so
but
I
let's
would have
say-
chosen sports
But what if
because
you-
I like watching sports with you.
Yeah,
but
but
if
what-
it's just me, it would be movies.
Yes, it has to be because let's say you never know me though. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, movies.
Alright, number 3. What do you find most sexy in a guy? His charm? His humor? His body? Or his hygiene? You no matter if him dirty.
Hygiene is a must. I'm gonna go with hygiene.
So what if him ugly and him but him clean?
If I'm ugly,
Yeah, and clean. You
I
know?
don't think no one is ugly.
Well, Mr. Ugly him not
I
appeal
would-
to you
I would
and your
say
type.
unappealing.
Yeah.
But him smell good.
Yeah, him wanna smell him clean, him take care of himself in bed every day, wearing
No,
perfume,
my
deodorant,
answer is hygiene.
hygiene. Okay, next question. If you were to be a celebrity, right? What kind of celebrity would you be? A singer? An actress? A politician? Or an athlete?
An actress.
Actress?
Yes.
Hollywood, you think that?
Straight.
Alright. What's the sexiest body part on a man for you, right? His arms, his eyes, his lips, or his legs?
Legs.
Yeah, you know the man there with the bow leg, you know? Some woman,
Okay,
like
I
a man
got
with the
you.
bow legs, and I don't know where I'm going.
So eyes, lips, legs, and which one?
So arms, eyes, lips, legs.
God, that's a sticky one.
You like the arms?
Cause I like bow-legged men. I used to love bow-legged men.
You don't like them again?
Yeah, but
The man like no bow?
yeah, I'm just saying.
Wow. Guess
Okay,
you don't like them again.
all right. So I like bow-legged men, and I like guys with pretty eyes.
What about arms and lips?
Arms, I'm not really worried about the arms.
Well, do have some macaroni arms.
Lips. Oh my god. Okay. So I think I would go with eyes.
Eyes?
They said they have this saying that says what you see the soul through the eyes or something like that.
No.
No, the eyes are very important to me because you have some people they're so
Eyes?
scary to look at. Like, yeah, some people them have some bad eye, man. You know, like
Not
when-
lips. Eyes for looking at man eye. Like
Yes, some
like
eyes
the-
are scary. Some eyes are scary.
and some women say brown eyes look nice for a man. I don't know.
Yeah, or gray or hazel.
Okay. Alright, next question. The guys you've dated in the past, right? When you were younger, right? They were usually jokers, like very humorous, you know. Always a joke about things. Romantic, caring, or there were some wild boys, you know, player type. Always a stress out the thing.
I don't know about a player. They weren't. No,
player.
I wouldn't say they were players.
Yeah, I meet some of them want to play at for true.
Okay. All right. What an assessment. Okay.
Me I never play neither. Remember me doing that line.
Shut up. All right. So I think they were caring. They were caring.
Okay, clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. So, which of these celebs do you think would be most fun to hang out with? Jennifer Aniston, you know, Angelina Jolie, Hillary Clinton, or Beyonce? You know, Hillary Clinton on the White House thing. Jennifer Aniston, Angelina Jolie, Hillary Clinton, or Beyonce?
Oh my gosh.
The one that hard?
Yeah.
Not Beyonce? Beyonce not pop out at you? Say my name, say my name.
Oh my gosh.
I know the last time you said Michelle Obama, she picked Spice.
I would probably...
Spice not there one it's a puzzler. Jennifer Aniston.
I don't really like the selections, but I'll go with Beyonce.
Beyonce. Yeah, this is just to identify, you know, which by your mind there, you know what I mean? You don't have to like it. Okay. So on weekend mornings, what would you rather do? Spend time on social media, you know, as you get up here up on the thing. Or go to the gym, go for a walk, or go to get groceries. You know, grocery shopping, Saturday morning, weekend, you know what I mean?
I'll probably go grocery.
Grocery. Yeah.
I like to get my early morning shopping on. Yeah.
All right. So.
And then hit the mall after, before coming home.
Okay. What makes a perfect romantic date? Laughter romantic. A great conversation. The preparation and the planning, you know. Most of the man put some work in the thing, cook the meal, you know what I mean? Preparation and planning. Or spontaneity. And then just spur of the moment, you know what I mean? Just as you go, kind of. So laughter, great conversation, preparation and planning, or just go with the flow. Spontaneity.
Knowing me, definitely preparation and planning.
You know, like the spontaneity, you know. Like
You know me, I like to plan ahead. I don't like just get up and do stuff.
Pick a word that summarizes the kind of guy you like. First one is charismatic. Next one is energetic. Can't stay still. Elegant, you know, fancy boy. You know, shirt and tie thing up. Or mysterious. You can't study the brother.
No wonder XXXX. So let me see. So charismatic, energetic, elegant. I'm gonna go with charismatic.
Charismatic? Ooh, okay. So that's it for the questions.
So what's the score? Come on, what's the score? I'm so curious. Because me want to know who my celebrity husband.
The score.
We may have to call a lawyer.
Call a lawyer?
Yes.
So
Then if the things, maybe a sign.
well, if I sign, we will see. So your score is 28.
28, so that means.
You know who at 28? She'll take too long. Alright, let me do this then. Out of the 4 people, right, I'm gonna tell her who the 4 people is and see if she know who 28 is. Or if she can guess who she think 28 is. So the first one is Barack.
Okay.
Denzel Washington. Yours truly.
Oh, okay.
And Brad Pitt. Who you think get 28?
My boy Denzel.
Really?
Oh.
I really need to call a lie, you know.
So who get 28?
The general, what you talking
You
about?
get For real?
Poppy straight.
For real, honey?
Boston.
Oh my God. Wow.
Wow.
Honey, I guess we're really much made. I guess we're really much made in heaven, babes. Oh, this is my celebrity husband. For real?
So all of a sudden, me and Selena, a while ago she said Denzel.
Wow.
She can't left again.
Can't left. No leffins. Oh my gosh.
Things sort out.
Oh my gosh. What? That's so cool. Oh my
So guys,
God,
I guess the
so
thing
hard.
seal up, you know what I mean?
Wow, made that
For
hurt
real,
me.
for real. But guys,
That was cool.
video I shot, you know what I mean? Enjoy the game, yeah. And remember to like the video.
Wow.
Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know what I mean? Craziness.
I can't believe this.
Leave us some comments. Let us know what y'all think, you know what I mean? But this was real fun. And
I'm still in shock. Like, I'm feeling tension behind your laugh so hard just now.
that's it hard to believe.
No, not that it's hard to believe, but I just can't believe that.
Look like you're disappointed.
No, are you crazy? No, I wouldn't trade you for anything in the world. For real. I wouldn't.
Wow. Alright guys, so we hope you like this video. As I said before, thumbs it up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And as always, Papi love you. Take care, and we'll see you in another video, okay? Peace.
My celebrity husband.